Hi friends, good morning. Let us see the next problem. This is problem number, this is chapter number 15.2, question number 1 of probability. Okay friends, problem is given in the description box. See, two customers Shyam and Ekta are visiting a particular shop on the same week. That is from Tuesday to Saturday. See, Shyam and Ekta. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here Shyam and Ekta are two customers are visiting a particular shop in the same week from Tuesday to Saturday. Tuesday to Saturday. See how many outcomes we can have. How many total outcomes? Total outcomes we can have 5 into 5, 25. Total outcomes. Total outcomes. Total outcomes is equal to 5 into 5, 25 outcomes. This is the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means, see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 events. Again starting with Wednesday, you can have another 5. Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again you can have 5. So 5 5 so 25. That is the total number of outcomes. That is the total number of pairs in the sample space. Next, let us see the questions. First question, what is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day? So, first question, probability of their visiting on the same day. Probability of their visiting on the same day. Probability of their visiting on the same day. See, how many cases are favorable? How many outcomes are favorable to visit the shop on the same day? So, clearly 5 outcomes. They may both visit on Tuesday, they may both visit on Wednesday, they may both visit on Thursday, they may both visit on Friday, they may both visit on Saturday. So, the number of outcomes, those are favorable. The favorable outcomes that they both visit on the same day are 5. So, probability of both visiting on the same day is equal to favorable cases, that is favorable outcomes, by total number of outcomes 5 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 5 is the answer to the first question, friends. Now let us see the second one. Probability of their visiting on consecutive days. See, probability of their visiting on consecutive days. See friends, let us understand their visiting on consecutive days. See, if Shyam visits on Tuesday, then Ekta must visit on Wednesday. If Shyam visits on Wednesday, Ekta must visit Thursday. So, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 outcomes plus if Ekta visit on Tuesday and Shyam visiting on Wednesday, 1 outcome. And if Ekta visits on Wednesday, then Shyam visiting on Thursday is second outcome. And Ekta visit on Thursday, Shyam visiting on Friday is the third outcome. And if Ekta visit on Friday, then Shyam visiting on Saturday is another 4 outcomes. So, consecutive day, they are visiting on consecutive day, there are 4 favorable outcomes. There are 4 plus 4, 8 favorable outcomes. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 4 outcomes. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, another 4 outcomes. So in total there are 8 outcomes are favorable for their visiting on the consecutive days. So favorable outcomes 8 and total outcomes as we know 25. So this is the probability of their visiting on consecutive days. Next, what is the third one? What is the third one? They are visiting on different days. They are visiting on different days. See, they are visiting on different days. See, we know one thing. We know one thing. Probability of their visiting on the same day. Probability of their visiting on the same day plus probability of their visiting on different days is equal to 1. So, probability of their visiting on the same day, probability of their visiting on the same day plus probability of their visiting on different days is equal to, is always equal to 1. So, now we want this. We know this. Probability of their visiting on the same day, that is already calculated, that is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus probability of their visiting on different days is equal to 1. Now we want the probability of their visiting on different days. So let us take 1 by 5 to that side. P of probability of their visiting on different days is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to 4 by 5. This is your answer to the third question, friends. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day. Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem. This is problem number 2 of chapter number 15.2 of probability. Friends, problem is given in the description box. 2. See, a die is numbered in such a way that it faces show the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. It is thrown 2 times and the total score in throws is noted. See, here this table is given to you. So now we have to answer 3 questions. What is the probability that the total score is even? Total score is 6. And what is the probability of total score? At least 6. Now see, let us complete this table. See, horizontally that is number in the first row. Vertically that is number in the second row. Some sums they has given in the problem. Some sums have been given and we have to complete the remaining sums. See, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Next 1 plus 2, again 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Again 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, again 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. Next coming to this one, 2 plus 1, 3 is given. 2 plus 2, 4 is given. Next 2 plus 2, again 4. 2 plus 3, again 5. So 2 plus 3, 5. This 5 is given to you. Next coming with this one, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, again 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 6, 9 is given. And coming with this 3 plus 1, 4 is given. 3 plus 2, 5 is given. 3 plus 2, 5 is given. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, again 6. Now coming to last one, 6 plus 1, 7 is given. 6 plus 2, 8 is given. 6 plus 3, 6 plus again 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. So we have completed the table. So here the total number of outcomes. Is equal to 6 into 6. 6 into 6, as in the normal die, we can have 36 outcomes. So total number of outcomes is 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. Now let us calculate the probability of each one. The first one is what is the probability that the total score is even. So probability of getting the sum even. Probability of getting the sum even. How many? Let us see how many outcomes are in favor of an even number. In how many outcomes the sum is even? In how many outcomes the sum is even? Let us count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 outcomes. In cases of 18 outcomes, sum is even. So to get the probability of even sum, favorable outcomes. Now we have counted, that is 18. Total number of outcomes 36. 18 by 36, 1 by 2 is the probability for the first question. And let us see the second one. Probability of getting 6. Probability of getting the sum 6. Let us count the outcomes where the sum is 6. So here there is no 6. Here there is no 6. Here 2 sixes are there. 2. Here again 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 outcomes. 4 outcomes are there in which sum is 6. So favorable outcomes to get the sum 6 is 4. Total number of cases 36. 4 by 36, 1 by 9 is the probability for the second question, friends. And let us see the third one. See, probability of getting at least 6. At least 6 means 6 or more than 6. So at least 6 means some may be 6, some may be 7, some may be 8, some may be 9, some may be 10, 11, 12. So these are the cases where sum is even. Now let us count the cases where the sum is 6. Sum is 6, just now we have counted, that is 4. In how many cases sum is 7? Sum 7. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So sum 7, there are 2 cases in favor. Favorable cases to get sum even, sum 7. Now let us see the outcomes where the sum is 8. Sum is 8 now. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 cases. 4 outcomes where the sum is 4. Sum is 8. Now let us see for 9. Sum 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sum 9 again 4. Sum 10. There is no, because there is no chance of getting sum 10. In the same way, there is no chance of getting sum 11. And there is only one case where the sum is 12, that is 1. So total outcomes where the sum is at least 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 14, 15. So total 15 outcomes. In case of total 15 outcomes, we have the sum at least 6. Now the probability of getting at least 6. Now the probability of getting sum at least 6. At least 6 is equal to favorable outcomes. That is 50 by total number of outcomes. So 3 5s, 3 12s. So the required probability is equal to 5 by 12, friends. So thank you, friends. Have a nice day.